Woo-hoo-hoo! Goodbye 2022! Hello 2023! Woo!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Chris! Happy New Year, man! Happy New Year, ça va? Happy New Year, kids!
Happy New Year. The name is cut to the brother. And so it is. Happy New Year to everyone. Woo! Health and good. And happiness. Come 2023.
Oh, it'll be loud.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Oh, wow.
2023. It's a good year. Health and wealth. My dad said he's watching the fireworks at the movie. Happy New Year. I'll call you properly in a minute. Can you see them? I bring him late. I bring him. I'll give you a call later. I'll give you a proper call later. What? Bye bye. Bye bye. Same to you. Bye bye. Yeah.
We're cheese guys.
Yeah.
True.
Shaking.
Shaking. Happy New Year.
Year, bye.
Happy New Year. Hopefully 2023 is their year. Here.
It does. It does.
Here's nice.
No, it didn't use again.
I know.
I think it'd be like,
There's the fireworks now.
what do you think you got?
Yeah, where'd that gun go?
Is he watching on the news?
You're watching on board.
My dad's watching it as well. Are you live? I'm watching it live on New Year. My dad is watching it as well. Come on, make for a photo. Happy New Year, Dad. We love you loads.
Happy New Year.
Go on, have a good day.
Turn it around so we can see you. He's watching on the news and off our phone.
There now.
My dad was like, what are you showing me? I can see him on the news. I was like, alright.
They're beautiful.
True.
They're beautiful.
Tommy, I've London now and Sydney. I've London and Sydney now, we're going to Tokyo next.
Tokyo next.
Next?
Tell them it's London and Sydney off the list.
Go on, Happy New Year. I recorded. Go on, love you loads. Hope 2023 is a good year.
That's the fireworks in
Go on, love you loads. Go on, bye-bye.
There's the bridge there for the gamers. Happy Easter!
Happy Christmas. Woo! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! 2023!
It's gonna be over the finish that. I don't know how much there is, but should be getting close now.
That's 7 minutes.
7 minutes?
I don't remember last year in class.
Now it's the bridge's turn.
Bridges turn.
I love Sydney! Woo!
There it is.
Thank you, Sydney!
Is that over here, please? Is that over here?
Ah, there's the shower of rain off the bridge. Doesn't that look awesome? Can you eat that?
Oh, don't lean on me.
Sorry. I can't stop shaking. Sydney has the best fireworks in the world!